Sir, I don't have money for doing this animation course. I'm really poor. Sir, my parents are not getting convinced for this animation course. They are really worried about my future and they don't know what is the future of animation. How many of you are having these excuses? Now I understand some of you might have the financial issues genuinely, but majority of the students don't actually have the financial issue. They have the knowledge issue. The problem is not with the parents that they are not getting convinced. The problem is you yourself are not convinced that you really want to do animation or not. And you are looking for some free stuff. Maybe everybody is sitting around to teach you for free. Again, you can get things for free. But I guarantee you that if you get something for free, you will never get results out of it. Because your mind again will play with you. And again you will lack the knowledge. And you will not take actions. Because you got something for free, you will take it for granted, you will not value it. So basically the problem is not with the parents. Parents are ready to invest in you. But are you ready? Are you really serious? Are you really committed? Or are you really clear about the animation? Think about it and let me know in the comment section.